Let's put some more in here. Let's see. I think that's, I probably should have read the directions. Because, see, this thing was $3. Come on. Uh-oh. What happened? Did you hit your head? Yeah, let me get the lid for it. Let me get the lid. Wait a minute. And my mom can get it. Here, you can carry this one. Wait a minute. Let me put the lid on. I get the lid. Okay. Shoe is slippery. Okay, let's get some bubbles going. Ooh! Uh-oh! It spit. Yeah. No, don't put it in your mouth. It's nasty. It's bubbles.
Tatum, look at the bubbles. Tatum, look at the bubbles. Whoa.
Is the grass too wet? I'm afraid she'll get wet. Look there at the bubbles. Can you get up? Look here, bubbles.
Tatum, run across. 1, 2, go! Whoa! There she goes down the garden. Are you ready? Tatum, 1, 2, go! Woo!
Come to Memo. Oh, got you. Got you.
You ready? Blow bubbles.
Don't put them in your mouth. No, here. This way.
1, 2.
Come and catch bubbles.
Tatum, look, bubbles. Go around the pepper. 1,
Run to Papa.
2, go!
Open your arms.
What's she doing?
Trying to get that open. Come get the Papa. We broke that one. So we're putting the bubbles in here. Spray up and stuff. I don't know. Okay. You want your bubbles? Okay. Here, I'll open them.